First thing you want to do is open Google, then just type OBS client and click the first website that pops up. Once you're there, look on the left side and click on download. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see the OBS installer for Windows. Just download it and install it. Now once the installation is done, this part is important. You have to restart your PC, don't skip it, just restart and come back. Alright, now let's do the phone part. If you're on iPhone, click on iPhone and install the app from the App Store. The app name is OBS. After installing, open the app. It'll look like this. You don't need to change anything here, just tap start. That's it. Once you click start, you'll see an IP address show up at the top. And yeah, we're done with the phone for now. Now come back to your PC and open a OBS client. At the top, click on connection, then click connect. Here you'll see different options like Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct. We're going to use Wi-Fi, so just select Wi-Fi. Quick heads up here, if you didn't restart your PC earlier, you might see something weird, like the IP showing as just a letter, or you might get an error when connecting. If that happens, don't panic, just restart your PC once, open everything again and you'll be good. Alright, now enter the same IP address that's showing on your phone app. Then click connect. If everything is good, it'll say connected. And that means your phone is now working as a microphone. Just to double check, you can open sound recorder or go to your sound settings. In the microphone list, you'll see OBS device. Select it and start recording, and yeah, it works. The quality is actually pretty good. Now let's add this to OBS. Open OBS, click the plus icon under sources. Choose audio input capture, then click OK. In the device drop down, select microphone or mic device, click OK, and you're done. When you talk, you'll see the mic levels moving. So yeah, that's literally it. That's how you use your phone as a microphone in OBS. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.